Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will continue our lesson Metropolitan Cities. Children, yesterday you learned about Delhi. Okay, it is the capital of India. You have learned about the climate of Delhi, its location, the historical background, okay, the people, the culture and the food of Delhi. Okay, in today's video you will be learning, okay, number one, the historical background of Mumbai, how Mumbai became a city. Okay, number two, we will be learning the location of Mumbai. Where is Mumbai actually situated in India? Okay, then we are going to learn about the climate of Mumbai. Okay, then we are going to learn about the major places to visit in Mumbai. And then we are going to learn about the people, the food and the culture of Mumbai. Okay children? Now children, Mumbai is one of the most important cities in India. Okay, it is called as the financial capital of India. Why do we call it, children? First of all, let us understand the meaning of the word finance. The word finance means managing money. Okay, the management of money is called as finance. Okay, so why Mumbai is considered as a financial capital? Because all the financial institutions, all the major banks, okay, and the major money managing industries, okay, money managing institutions are in Mumbai. Okay, one of the most important banks of India is Reserve Bank of India. So the headquarters of the main office of Reserve Bank of India is in Mumbai. Okay, also all the main offices of very famous and very important industries are found in Mumbai, and that is why we call it as the financial capital of India. Understood children? Okay, now let us learn about the historical background of India. Okay, we are going to the first topic, that is the historical background. Okay, so we are going to learn about the historical background of Mumbai. Okay, now children, earlier Mumbai was not a city. It was a group of 7 islands. Now let us learn about the 7 islands. What were the 7 islands? We have Mahim, we have Worli, Parel, Mazagon, Bombay, Little, Koloba and Koloba. Okay, so these were the 7 islands: Mahim, Worli, Parel, Mazagon, Bombay, Little Koloba and Koloba. So these group of islands form the Mumbai city. Now children, in 1947, who ruled India? The country India was ruled by the Britishers. So in 1947, the Britishers merged these islands as one, okay, and named it as Bombay. Okay, so children, the first name of Mumbai was not Mumbai, it was Bombay. The old name of Mumbai was Bombay. So Britishers in 1947 merged these group of islands as one city and called it as Bombay. Okay, now let us learn about the location of Mumbai. Where is the Mumbai situated? Now before that, let me show you a picture of the 7 islands. Okay, see here children. This is the 7 islands which were merged as one city by the Britishers and was called as Bombay. Okay children. Now let us move to the location of Mumbai. Okay, so we are now going to learn about the location and climate of Mumbai. Children, Mumbai is located in the southwestern part of India. Okay, Mumbai is in the southwestern part of India in the state of Maharashtra. Okay, understood? You can see here in the map, children. This is the map of India. You can see Mumbai is in the western, southwestern part of India, near in the state Maharashtra. It is on the side, it is towards the Arabian Sea. You can see here in this picture, children, Mumbai is facing the Arabian Sea. Okay, so it is near the sea coast, it is near the Arabian Sea. Now children, since it is near the Arabian Sea, since it is on the coastal line, it is in the western coastline, how will be the climate of Mumbai? Will it be too hot? No. Will it be too cold? No. Children, Mumbai is a city which experiences moderate climate. It is not too hot in Mumbai, not too cold in Mumbai. It is not like Rajasthan, nor it is like Kashmir. It is having a very moderate climate. Why? Because it is near the coast of the Arabian Sea. Understood children? You can see here in the map. It is near the coast of the Arabian Sea. Therefore it is having a very moderate. Moderate means not too hot, not too cold. So children, we have now learned about the climate and location of India. Now we are going to learn the important places to visit. The first one is the Gateway of India. Look here in this picture. Yes, this is the picture of Gateway of India. Now children, this was built in 1911 when King George V and Queen Mary came to visit India. So this was to welcome the king and the queen in India. This is one of the most important tourist places. People who are coming to Mumbai to visit Mumbai, they always go to visit this place. It is one of the beautiful tourist attractions in Mumbai. The another attraction that we are talking about is the Marine Drive. Now Marine Drive is the picture. This is the picture of Marine Drive, children. This is also one of the major tourist attractions of Mumbai. Many people come here to visit. It is a very beautiful place. Many people come here to visit and they get a view of the Arabian Sea on the Marine Drive. Number third is the Elephanta Caves. Children, you can see here, this is a picture of Elephanta Caves. Now why Elephanta Caves is very famous? Children, this is one of the important source. One of the most important source of Mumbai. One of the most important source to get to know about the history of India. These were the caves which were used by the early men who lived in India long years ago. And it is known for the stone sculptures and rock paintings. All the stone sculptures, all the idols and statues are made out of stone here, and it is found in these caves. Now the next tourist attraction that I am going to tell you about is the Hanging Garden. Look here, this is a picture of Hanging Garden. Now what is Hanging Garden, children? These are the terrace gardens which we can see which is made from Malabar Hills, okay, which is made on the slopes of Malabar Hills. The gardens have been terraced, they have been cut into flat surfaces, okay, and have been used as a place of tourist attraction. Okay, it is in Malabar Hills. Okay, you can see in this picture. Okay, children, so this was the tourist attractions. Okay, these are one of the major important places of the Mumbai city. Now let us go to the next topic, that is the people, the food and the culture of Mumbai. Okay, so we are going to learn, actually in the culture we are going to learn about the biggest festival which is celebrated in Mumbai. So let me write it as festival only. Now children, Mumbai is one of the most crowded cities of India. Many people, all the people who are living in Mumbai are migrants. Now who are migrants, children? People who move from one place to another in search of food, shelter. Okay, in today's scenario we can say as job opportunities. So many people come to Mumbai from different parts of country to get a job, okay, or to make themselves famous, okay, to make themselves prominent in the acting industry, okay, to make a name in the acting industry. Okay, many people come. Okay, the two main languages that is spoken in Mumbai is Marathi and Hindi. These are the two common languages that are spoken in Mumbai. The famous snacks of the people of the Mumbai, snacks that are eaten by the people of Mumbai is pav bhaji, vada pav and bhel puri. Here is a picture of these three food items. Okay, so these are the food items which are commonly eaten by the people of Mumbai. It is very famous. Okay, it is known, Mumbai is known for the best vada pav, okay, pav bhaji and bhel puri. Now let me talk to you about the most important festival of Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the famous festivals of Mumbai. It is the most important festival of Mumbai. People celebrate this festival with lot of pomp and grandeur. Okay, it is one of the most important festivals of Mumbai. The major important event of this festival is the procession. Okay, that is the major mark of celebration. That is the main part of the celebration is the procession. See children, during Ganesh Chaturthi, what is happening? People first make different idols, bring idols of Lord Ganesha in home. Then for a few days, then for a interval of 10 to 11 days, they worship Lord Ganesha. And afterwards, they all go in the procession with their idols and immerse these idols in the Arabian Sea. So this procession is one of the major festivities of the people of Mumbai. People dance, they enjoy, they celebrate this festival with lot of pomp and grandeur. You can see in the picture, okay, people have been going in masses, okay, a crowd of people is going in masses to immerse big idols of Lord Ganesha, big statues of Lord Ganesha in the Arabian Sea. Okay children, so this is what we have learned in today's chapter. We have learned about the historical background of Mumbai. Mumbai was not a city earlier children, it was a group of 7 islands which was merged as one city with the name Bombay by the British in 1947. Okay, Bombay is the old name of Mumbai. Okay, we do not call it Bombay now, it was earlier called as Bombay. Okay, Mumbai was earlier called as Bombay. Okay. Then we have learned about the location. Where is Mumbai located? In the southwestern part of India, in the state of Maharashtra. This place faces the Arabian Sea. Okay. Arabian Sea, and because it is near the sea area, because it is near the sea coast, the climate here is moderate. It is not too hot nor too cold in Mumbai. Okay, we have learned about the famous places of India. Okay, we have learned about the famous places of Mumbai. We have Gateway of India. We have learned about the Marine Drive. We have learned about Hanging Gardens, and we have learned about the Elephanta Caves. Okay, one more important thing, children. Mumbai is also famous for having the busiest port, the busiest airport, and the Hindi film industry. Okay, since children, why it is the busiest port? Because lots of goods are exchanged. We have already learned what is a port, children. Port is the place where goods are loaded in a ship and unloaded from a ship. Okay, so all the exchange of goods take place in the Mumbai port. Okay, airport, many people from different part of country and different parts of the world come to visit Mumbai. So it is one of the busiest airports, and it is also known for its Hindi film industry called as the Bollywood. Okay, many famous stars, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, all these people live in different parts of Mumbai. Okay, then we have learned about the people, the food, the festival of Mumbai. Okay, the people are mostly, Mumbai is a very crowded place. Most of the people are migrants. They come from different part of the country for job opportunities or to make name in the acting career. Okay, next thing we have learned about the languages. The main languages that is spoken in Mumbai is Marathi or Hindi. Okay, the most famous snacks in Mumbai are Bhel Puri, Vada Pav and Pav Bhaji. Okay, and then we have learned about the famous festival, that is Ganesh Chaturthi. People celebrate this festival with lot of pomp and enjoyment. They celebrate it with lot of enthusiasm and zeal. Okay, so this is what we have learned in today's chapter. I hope you have understood it very well. Okay, tomorrow we will be giving you the study material of these two cities, Delhi and Mumbai. Please go through it, learn them, because this will help you to write your answers in your worksheet. Okay children, goodbye and have a nice day.